Hello and welcome to my presentation of the rainforest and spider monkeys. Spider monkeys live in the tropical rainforest in Central and South America. Spider monkeys have no thumbs. Spider monkeys are a mammal. Spider monkeys normally live 22 to 30 years in the wild. They weigh 12 to 20 pounds. The circled area is where they hang out. Spider monkeys have 4 hooked fingers to grab onto branches. 90% of their diet is fruit, nuts, seed, insects and bird eggs. Yuck! They live in the canopy part of the trees. They are 90 to 20 inches tall. Can you spot the monkey? More than one spider monkey is called a troop when they are together. They are noisy and they screech to alert members of their troop. Black-headed spider monkeys are the largest, and they choose special trees to sleep through the night. They have the strongest tail in the animal kingdom. The circled area is where the spider monkeys live. Now for some facts about the rainforest. An area of a rainforest the size of a football field is being destroyed each second. Rainforests are warm and wet. Rainforests used to cover 14% of the earth. Now only cover 6%. What is a tropical rainforest? A tropical rainforest is a forest that has loads of heavy rainfalls. Lots of animals and insects live there. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it.